Everyone tells you build multiple income streams, but no one tells you which one actually works. How long it take to build or how hard it is to make your first 1 lakh per month. I have been gone through that phase too. Watched endless videos, tried bunch of things and still felt lost, not knowing what truly worth the effort. That's exactly why I made this video. I'm breaking down 5 income streams that actually work in 2025. Some I have already built, some I'm building right now. And for each one, I'll share how long it takes to learn, how much you need to invest, and how hard it is to turn into a consistent income. First income stream, Amazon business. I made 1 crore per month by selling physical products on Amazon. Here is how it worked for me and how you can earn 1 to 2 lakhs per month. I spent the first few months studying how Amazon will actually works, like how to find the right product, how to create listing, how to run ads. I shortlisted one product, then I launched it. And honestly, this is the part where I almost gave up because my first product failed. But after few days, I started doing proper research. Then I noticed a small gap in kitchen tools category. Here in knife sharpeners, many sellers were offering cheap quality products with bad images and zero packing effort. Then I launched my product knife sharpener with better quality and professional packing. After launch, first few days sales were slow, but I started running ads consistently and keep improving the listing. Then I got my first review. This one line meant everything for me. Within first few months, I started seeing my product daily sales increase. And once I understood what was working, I repeated the same process again. With every new product launched, my income grew. This is the power of selling on Amazon. Your only job is pick the right product and start selling on Amazon. At least you need investment of 10 lakhs to start selling the product below 1000 rupees. Time to see results is 12 to 15 months to get your initial sales. How much you can earn? Initially, you will earn 1 to 2 lakhs per month, but after few years, you can improve the profit margin and launch more products. Pros. Here Amazon only will handle your product shipping, payments, returns with Amazon FBA. It works even if you're living in small town and also no office is required. This can be scaled up as a big brand. Once you set up, it will become your consistent income source. Cons. You need upfront investment for purchasing the inventory and running ads. It will take time to learn Amazon systems. Mistakes in product selection and supplier quality can make you lose money. Income stream 2. Online course. This is one of the most scalable income stream in 2025, that is creating and selling online course. If you have learned a skill and helped others with it, you can turn that skill into a structured course and sell it online. How it works and how you can earn 3 to 4 lakhs from this. Let's say you know how to build a website or edit videos or speak fluent English. Instead of working with one client, you can share your skill with multiple people by creating an online course. Just record your knowledge step by step and turn it into a video course. Then you can host it in any online platform, so people can buy and learn from anywhere. And the best part is, once your course is live, it can earn for you even while you're sleeping. It is the same concept behind big Indian creators like Growth School, WebVeda, or any individual creator who teach in Instagram or YouTube. If you see in India, many people have sold 5000 plus courses just by targeting simple skill like Excel for beginners, resume writing, or how to get freelance clients. Even some people will sell courses with just 299 to 499 and still make lakhs per month because it scales with volume. So you don't need to price high, but you need to solve one real problem clearly and practically. Your only job is pick one skill and turn it into a simple structured course that solves a specific problem. Investment required is just 50 to 70,000 for basic setup and to run ads in social media platforms. You can see results in 6 to 12 months from course recording to marketing. How much you can earn? You can earn at least 3 to 4 lakhs per month. Pros. It's a one-time creation, but you can get long-time sales. It works globally. People can buy from anywhere. Cons. Marketing is key for this. People need to find it in social media platforms. If your content is not well structured, you will get refunds or bad reviews. Income stream 3. Video editing. With the rise of content creators, video editing is one of the most in-demand skill in 2025. If you know this skill, you can easily turn this into a full-time income stream. How it works and how you can earn 1 to 2 lakhs per month. One of my close friends, she's from a computer science background. When she came to Hyderabad to learn a Java course, she used to click random photos and videos in her free time. And just for fun, she started started editing them. At first, she had zero knowledge in editing, and slowly her interest started growing. She began watching editing tutorials on YouTube, and she learned basic reels and short video editing step by step. Then she got an idea. Why not to message content creators, offer them to edit one of their video for free? Most of the creators did not respond. Some said no. But she did not stop. She kept sending DMs. One day, a creator replied and gave her a chance. She edited the video and charged a small amount. Then another creator reached her. She kept on improving and got better. Now she earns lakh per month by editing short form videos for Instagrammers and YouTubers. Your only job is learn basic editing and start reaching out to creators or small businesses who need help with content. Investment required is 50,000 to 1 lakh. You will see results in 1 to 2 months if you practice it daily. How much you can earn? You can earn up to 1 lakh per month. Pros: no degree or previous experience is required. Here it is global opportunity. You can edit videos for foreign creators and get paid more. Cons: first few weeks you need to edit free content for creators. You have to stay updated with editing trends. Income stream 4. YouTube channel. You won't even believe many creators in India are quietly making money through YouTube without millions of subscribers or even without showing their face. They just pick one topic and share what they know in simple videos. Then they slowly build audience and earn lakhs from that in multiple ways. How it works and how you can earn 3 to 4 lakhs per month. You can start your YouTube channel in any niche like lifestyle, education, tech, fitness, finance or personal development. If you are good at explaining things, telling stories or sharing your journey, there is space for you on YouTube. Now the biggest advantage is you don't need a scriptwriter or a fancy team. You can literally use ChatGPT to plan your script. Just you need to give reference video script for it. Then it will give proper structured script for your video. Once you record the videos and start posting it on YouTube, when you hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, you will be eligible for monetization. That means YouTube start paying you every time. Then someone watches an ad on your video and it's just a beginning. Once you build small set of audience, you can earn from multiple ways. First one, brand deals. Brand pays you to talk about their products in your videos. Second one, affiliate program. Add links of Amazon Flipkart products which you use in your video. So when someone purchases through the link, you will get a commission. Third one, digital products. You can sell your own templates, ebooks or courses to your audience. But most of the people will fail on YouTube because they feel it is a hobby, not a business. Your only job is pick one topic and create value-driven videos and stay consistent. Investment required is 50,000 to 1 lakh per month for basic setup. Initially start simple. You can see results in 12 to 15 months by posting consistent videos and improving them. How much you can earn? You can make at least 3 to 4 lakhs per month. Pros: you can build long-term digital assets. You can build credibility and brand. Cons: it requires lots of patience because sometimes the growth will be very slow. You may get negative comments, it will disturb your mindset. Income stream 5. Freelancing. Freelancing is the easiest way to make money online at home. You can pick one skill like writing, video editing, graphic design or ads, and you can offer service to small businesses, creators or startups. How it works and how you can earn 1 lakh per month. 2 years back, I did a freelancing for one foreign client. He hired me to set up and manage his Amazon ads. In the first month, I did everything. Created campaigns, added keywords, checked the click-through rates and done all the setup work. But guess what? From next month onwards, I was spending barely 15 minutes per day. Just doing some quick checks and minor updates. But still, he's paying me $1,000 per month. Of course, I was giving results. But the truth is, Amazon ad setup is a one-time job. The rest of the day is monitoring and tweaking few things. No workload, no chasing deadlines, just giving clear results. That's the power of senior level freelancing. You're not charging per hour, you're charging per value you deliver. But here is the truth, not all freelancing is same. There is a beginner level freelancing where you take low pay and hourly work. And there is a mid to senior level freelancing where you get paid more for doing less. Your only job is pick one high value skill and get mastered in it. Build a mini portfolio of yours and start contacting the clients. Investment required is almost zero, just a laptop and internet. You'll see results in 1 to 3 months where you can get your first client. Even it will take only 12 to 15 months to become senior level and get paid high. How much you can earn? Here you can earn close to 1 lakh per month. Pros: once the setup is done, you can earn recurring income just by monitoring and optimizing. You can work in your own time from anywhere. It's totally flexible. Cons: you may not get consistent income until you have a long-term client. Your income will be up and down. Sometimes when you pick the wrong client, even if you complete the work also, they won't pay you full amount. Which income stream you want to pick? Let me know in comments.